So in this tutorial, we're going to go through multiple regression analysis. So in the first tutorial, we depended one variable against another, and we just compared the relationship of two variables. In this case, we're going to compare the relationship of multiple variables. Now, where we have to go is our data analysis tab. So we're going to go to data, and we're going to go to data analysis, and we're going to look for regression. So it's in the same spot as the simple regression. We're going to press OK. Now we can move this over here so we can see better. So for our Y range, it's going to be the same. We're going to press in D8. We're going to do Control Shift down arrow. And then we can press the other box, scroll back up. Now to highlight the rest of the cells, we're going to press into study hours. Once again, Control Shift right arrow to highlight all of the columns, and then down arrow to highlight the rows. So now we've highlighted everything, and we can scroll back to the top. So for this one, we're going to name it multiple regression results, as it is a multiple regression. We'll check off residuals because we don't really need them in this case. And we're going to make sure we have our labels checked as we do with labels. And our confidence level, you could either set to 95, 99, 90, whatever desired confidence level you have. We're then going to press OK. And here's our outputted results.